how to clean your computer and free up hard drive space on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your computer is running out of a space, in this video we will show you various ways to free up extra space on your Windows 10 and 11 system. And the first workaround is empty recycle bin. Right click on recycle bin located at your desktop and choose empty recycle bin. And other temporary files you should also delete. For this, press bin plus Windows key plus R shortcut key to launch run command box, and in run command box type percent sign and temporary and percent and press OK. It will open all your temporary files in your system. Simply press Ctrl plus A shortcut key to select all and choose delete. Right click on it and choose delete. Press escape. The second way to fix this issue is free up a space removing junk files with storage sense. Go to Windows settings, go to storage, go to first enable storage sense in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Click on it and here keep Windows running smoothly by automatically clean up temporary system and app files. Configure cleanup schedule. You can choose for every week, every month, and delete files in my recycle bin if they have been. Choose a days and click on run a storage sense now. It will clear your junk files, temporary files, and cleanup recommendation. Click on it. Make the check against option recycle bin and other downloads logs. Clean up 2.46 GB space. Click on continue. The other way is see advanced option and make the check against all the option. Windows upgrade, log files, thumbnail, Microsoft Defender, antivirus, such type of all types of unused and temporary files, and choose remove files. Total 8.35 GB extra space you will get. The another way is go to Windows search and open disk cleanup. Choose a drive and apply disk cleanup to clean your system. Make the check against all the option: Windows error, DirectX, set caches, delivery optimization files, temporary files, recycle bin. All the items should be checked and click on cleanup system files. And choose a drive and wait for some times. Disk cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on Windows C. And after that, apply same procedure. And make the check against all the options: temporary file, recycle bin, other user file history, and press OK. The next way to free up a space is free up a space using OneDrive files on demand on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Launch OneDrive app, click on OneDrive icon and choose settings. Here from the top, choose backup and sync and backup, advanced settings. Under the files on demand section, choose free up disk space. Click on continue button. Now next option is free up space removing non-essential apps and games. Here all your online files save your space will be visible here. These are files are online available only. Offline you will not get such files. Free up a space removing non-essential apps. Go to run command box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key and choose appwiz.cpl. It will open program and feature windows in control panel. Here look for any unused apps or programs which simply select it and choose uninstall. Apply for all your unused software, games, apps, etc. Now delete unused languages. Go to settings. Here you go to time and language. Click on language and region. Select the language to remove which is not being used since long. Simply click on 3 horizontal dot. Here remove option will not available due to this is being used. Click on 3 horizontal dot and choose remove. After you complete the steps, you may need to repeat the instruction on other. The next method is go to your file explorer and choose files, choose properties, advanced and compress contents to save disk space. Okay, press apply. Apply changes to this folder, subfolders and files and press OK. Apply this method for your drive also. Free up a space transferring files to external drive. Go to this PC, right click on your drive and choose properties. Choose compress the drive to save the disk space. Free up a space using NTFS compression. Again go to Windows settings, choose privacy and security, go to Windows searching Windows. Here scroll down and you will find the option advanced indexing option. Here choose option advanced and under index settings troubleshooting delete and rebuild index. Rebuilding indexing may be free your space in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Free up a space. Rebuilding search index